What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. This is your swing recap of the week of December 13th, 2021. We're getting towards the end of the week, the end of the year, and we're running into a little bit of speed bumps going on. And just a heads up, I'm not a licensed financial professional. If you need financial help, please contact a financial advisor, professional, firm, whatever you want to call it. There's been a lot of stuff that has been going on, and I really want to point out that the type of trading I'm doing is allowing me to live less stressfully. Okay. And I don't even know how to start this conversation, but let's go over some of the trades that we had. First of all, make sure you hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video, right over here. Check out our page. I've been making swing recaps every week for the past, 4 or 5 months. I'm going to keep doing them. They're a lot of fun. So make sure to go to our website, check out our website. If you want to go to our server, click on free membership right here. It'll take you to our server that looks just like this. You'll be able to only see it if it's free. You'll just get this general chat. You get the OG Prime membership, which you'll have to pay $60 for, or you can use the code SPRING30. Looks like this. All lowercase, SPRING30, and then you can get each month for $30 instead of the $60. All right, so just kind of keep that in mind. Let's go over some of the profits that we had and some of the call outs that we had. Profits we had starting on the 13th. Oh, you know what? Who's killing it? Let's get a spotlight in this. Ghost had a great play. Let's check it out here. See, bought some. Oh no, he sold some puts here, Apple puts, and then he bought them back for cheap. Nice, selling some premium. That's freaking awesome. That's freaking, or maybe he bought them. Wait, let's look at this time here. Yeah, he bought them and he sold them, but for a second, that would have been cool. Either way, making money. Ghost, nice job there. Rom killing it. This was our Hall of Famer last month with the Apple calls. He has 5 contracts with the Apple calls. He's up $540. Nice job, Rom. That's freaking dope. Ghost taking one of our cheap blue plays right here on Apple again. Wow, bud. Buying it here, selling it 20 minutes later. Love it. Scalping. MRK. This was AES. AES. You get the clapping, man. You get the clapping. Good, nice job on the MRK call. You freaking killed it, bro. And then that's it for last week. So let's go over some of the plays that we had. We still got if you want to watch last week's video, check out last week's video on, let's see, was it Novavax? No. Futu, or the week before that, I think. No, it was watch last week's video for Futu. Right now, we're killing it on Futu. I'll show it on the chart, but we still got the Futus. We closed out the PDD for money. We're in the green for AMC. I forgot to mention Futu is also in the green. We pulled up, we sold some ITCI and then it moved and we sold puts. Beautiful play there. Mara's still above our money. Anyways, let's get back to the charts. Oh, wait. Long term we got. So on the 13th, we added another $100 a sheet. So we got like 30 million sheet. That's a lot of sheet now. And then we went really cheap on some PFE call debit spreads. Really cheap, $12, 24. I'll show you here on the chart now. So let's check this out. All right, so let's start with, should we start with the market? Oh man. Yeah, why don't we start with the market? Let's start with the market. Then you can kind of think about what's going on in the market. So we had some COVID, like I'm doing this video now on Monday. It's already been a whole day of trading. So you're seeing an extra day here, the swing recap of the 13th. So in here, this is what happened on the 17th or the 20th, excuse me. It's been the weekend. We had some COVID out, COVID news coming in last Wednesday, Thursday, about Omicron still coming in. It went down on Friday and we came down even lower. Like, the NHL is starting to block the borders now for NHL teams that live in Canada or that want to go to Canada, vice versa. That's a lot of money you know, a lot of players that aren't going to get paid for those games, a lot of stadiums that are not going to be filled, a lot of games that are going to get canceled. And I think this is going to trickle down, not the NHL, but I think there's going to be other places that are not going to be so confident in our vaccines. Okay, there's going to be, and I'm going to talk about neighboring countries like Canada. You know, if some of Europe doesn't want us to travel over there, that's a problem for business, trade, Dow, for the Dow. Let's check out the Dow here for a second. Yeah, it can hit hard. We're below 350 now. We're in bear mode. So we'll have to see once we hit these kind of levels what we can do bouncing back. I know the NASDAQ isn't, I mean, it's coming down, but it's not as bad. So keeping that in mind. So anyways, let's get started. So PFE, we have a PFE call on this one. We have a 70 call. We bought it right about here when it was, hold on. Actually, no, we bought it right around here back in July is when we started buying it. And then we bought it some more here and then now it's taken off. So PFE almost hit 62 today. This is definitely one that I've been holding on to. We're up like 1,000% in place. So, you know, it's just fun to watch what's going on, especially with the Omicron news. It's good to have a position in PFE when the market started downturning because we were able to, you know, vaccine, Novavax, PFE, Moderna, Eli Lilly, all those good ones started came back up. So we're up $1,000. We turned $10 into 160. So it's kind of like that. So last Friday we sold a put credit spread on Mara. I'm looking for a bounce here on crypto. So if we look here at Bitcoin, oh gosh, I don't know which one. Obviously it's going to follow how Bitcoin trades, right? Because Mara's crypto or has to do with blockchain. I have zero idea. All I know is the ticker. Anyways, so I'm looking at this chart and we sold the 28 put and 27 put. We just need to stay above it for, let's see, till January 21st. So even if it comes down, bounces, stays above, starts mooning, we're well below the 50 MA that I feel pretty confident that we're going to have some type of bounce here soon. So really digging that play. All right, so ITCI, this is zero idea. I did a just straight TA on this. I have no idea what this company is. Don't need to know. ITCI sell, put vertical spread 32. Isn't it a strong uptrend like this? So I feel pretty confident buying the dip on something like this. We sold a put spread this before this happened, which was today, which is amazing news. Or we're like almost to 100% profit on this play. So couldn't be happy. Couldn't be happier on this one. That was ITCI. Let's take a look at EMC. We had a trader in our chat room. Shout out to Zeke. He sold out of his AMC puts coming down here. So I decided to sell puts when he got out since he was expecting a bounce and he timed it perfectly. So thank you, Zeke. Thank you, Zeke, for that trade up because that was awesome. I'm now 2% on our put vertical spreads that we sold, almost to $60 that we sold. So super happy with that one. That was like literally perfect. And then I think we have still the Futus. Let's check out the Futus. This one is strong downtrend. We sold a call spread right up here. 51. It's just been in a downtrend. So super happy with that play. All right, so let's start looking in real time what happened with those plays since the 13th. So what happened to our positions when after we looked at all those charts? Also, by the way, after we sold the spreads, we were immediately green. So you know how like when you buy something and you're like, fuck, I don't want to buy this because after a day it's just gonna die because I'm buying an options contract and it's data and it's real. Green Futu, green PDD, even more green Futu, even more green PDD. We bought a cheaply that was TLT. That was the, let's see here. It was a 155 call for TLT. We lost all of it, all $16 of it because we bought it. Okay, and we don't day trade. I don't day trade. I don't scalp trade. I sell premium. That's all I do. 509% on PFE, 70% on PDD, 91% on Futu, 553% on PFE. Futu, AMC, PFE, all perfect. Plus 600 on PFE, plus 661 on PFE. $10 away from PDD. 700% PFE. 900% PFE. Now we're up 100. Now we're up 1,000% on PFE. This is when we bought these calls, when I called them out. Right here when it was $10. Look at it now, 160. This was on the other port, and we got out of PDD for 80% profit. Okay, got out of PDD for 80% profit. So super happy about that. And then we saw in real time ITCI gapped up, literally perfect. Literally perfect. PFE all-time high, 83% on Futu. AMC was plus 30% today. Happy. Couldn't be happier. Literally could not have been happier with the positions. The only one we're red on is a little bit of Mara, but it's still above our strikes. So we're still collecting premium every day. Not that worried about it because Bitcoin usually bounces. Although I don't do a lot of crypto trading. Just something to think about. So other than that, guys, it was a pretty solid week. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Make sure to check out next week's video on the swing recap. Oh, it's actually going to be a Christmas special. So I'll be in Christmas spirit next week when I make the video. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're green on all these positions. Not really worried. We were green on PDD, so that's one. Futu, green. AMC, green. ITCI, green. PFE, green, but we won't consider that green yet. That's 3 on top of the 5 new trades. So now, and we closed PDD for green, so that's another green trade. I'll have to tally them up, and I'll tell you next video what my premium selling percentage of hitting green is, because now I'm pretty sure it's well above 80%. It's got to be between 80 and 85% if I tallied it. Actually, let's just do it. Let's just do it on the video. Let's just do it. Come on. Let's do this. Let's look at the sell premiums. Okay, so I'm going to tally them up. Here's Futu. Okay. Oh, that was the first time with Futu. So 1, 2 was Novavax. 3 was TTCF. 4 was Chris. 5 was Rita. Oh, we won't talk about Rita. Never knew her. Just kidding. 1 Novavax. Hit another for Stitch Fix. There's the Futu. So now we're catching up. PDD. AMC. ITCI. Mara. So that's another one. Okay, now let's go back all the way to Futu, and we'll count the ones that we ended up green on. Now, I know which ones were green and which ones were red. So if you really want to check my math, go back in the videos. Okay, so Futu, green. So we got 1. Novavax. 2, that was green. TTCF, that was green. That's 3. Chris was green. That's 4. Rita was red, so we're not going to mark it. Novavax was green. Stitch Fix was red, so we're not going to mark it. Futu is green right now. I'm 100% sure I'm going to click green. PDD was green. It's another one. AMC is very green right now. ITCI, very green. Mara, I won't count it because it's red. So let's do the math now. So that is 12. Yeah, that's 12 trades, and 9 of them were right. So let's do it. 9 divided by 12. I'm at, damn, I thought I was over 80%. Man, I need another one. This is what I need. I need another one. Anyways, my hit rate is 75% with selling premium. So, you know, take it as it is. Shout out to Syed. You have told me to do this on my videos like for so long, and I finally am going to tally up my premium sales because right now I'm at a 75% hit rate. So maybe it'll go up. Maybe it'll go down. Who knows? Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Check out our website, optiongoatsllc.com. Join for free or pay or don't pay or pay or don't pay. But if you want to see my trading ideas, you have to pay. And again, I'm not a financial professional. If you need financial help, please contact a financial firm, professional advisor, anything like that. Check out our last videos on the YouTube. Go back to some of the old plays that we had. If you want to know how I trade, go to Credit Spread Crash Course, number 15. Go to number 15. That's my Credit Spread Crash Course where I sell premium. I show you how I trade. If you want to figure it out, just go to that video. I do another one of the prime and then do another one of the SPY on the chart. Be safe out there. Take less risk. Be good. Cash is king. If you have to sit on cash for a bit, do it. I'm really excited to see what the market's going to do. Anyways, you also get the bot if you do the paid premium. Just a heads up, you get all these channels right here. I'm trying to think, what else was I going to say? I think that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hit like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.